Welcome to my YouTube channel, Earth of Knowledge.
Who is known as the father of medicine? Hippocrates, Aristotle, Galen, Socrates. Correct answer is Hippocrates. Who composed the symphony Beethoven's Fifth? Wolfgang, Amadeus Mozart or others? Correct answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. Who discovered the theory of relativity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, Niels Bohr. Correct answer is Albert Einstein. Who wrote the Odyssey? Homer, Virgil, Sophocles, Euripides. Correct answer is Homer. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie, Florence Nightingale, Jane Austen, Ada Lovelace. Correct answer is Marie Curie. Who invented the telephone? Galileo Marconi, Nikola Tesla, Alexander Graham Bell. Correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.